We're here inside Shuttlewagon's corporate facility in Kansas City, Missouri. Behind me is one of our fully painted units that's ready to go to a customer. Right over here is an unfinished frame that needs painting. So we're about to show you the paint booth. It's a large paint booth, big enough to accommodate our largest railcar movers, which by the way can move up to 60 loaded rail cars. Okay, we're outside with our NVXE mobile railcar mover. This is a fully electric machine. You can see that we changed up the paint scheme on this. We added some decals. We could do anything as far as the color. We could do anything as far as the decals is concerned. Just let us know what you want to do and we'll make it happen. I'm going to show you another unit that we painted yellow for a customer that requested that color. Okay, here we are with the last example I'm going to show you. This is a customer that requested a yellow unit. So what we got here, you can see how beautiful that is. The paint is beautiful. We do it all in our facility at our headquarters here in Kansas City, Missouri. All this thing needs now is some decaling for the customer and it's ready to go.